how are you? This is your math teacher for second class. Children, already we learned that in the second chapter 3-digit numbers, part 1 is completed. Today we are going to part 2. What is that? Part 2. Children, open your textbook, page number 16. See the page number 16. Evit, observe that. Read and write numbers from 101 to 200. 101 means 101 to 200. Read and write. That is that Evit. What is the question asking? Read and write. Read and write numbers. Read and write numbers from 101 to 200. Then how can you write as that number? I am saying only some words, you complete that remaining. You know that number names, how can you write as? Already in giving us some boxes. See this? 101, 101, 102, 103. You write only vertically, not horizontal. 103, 104. After what you write? 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110. These are the numbers. You fill in that missing numbers. What you write in that boxes. So I am explaining only second one. You complete that remaining part. See this second one. What you write in that second box. See the children. 110 after what you write? 111. 111. Next. 112, 113. Read with right. Read and write asking the question. So numbers from 101 to 200. 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119 and next 120. Now I am filling that another box. See this children? Okay children? So first you observe from textbook. If you not have textbook, purchase from books from our school. So 120 after 121, 122, 123, 124, 125. Read and write 126, 127, 128. Next number 129. And after what is that 129 after? 130. Up to you fill 200. What is the number? Come after you fill in that boxes. Okay children? Now Evit, fill the missing numbers. Here giving a same process. That is 111, 112. 11 from 111 given. 111, 112. Next what you write? 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120 given here. 121 already given. What you write the next number? 122. You just fill E and F bit. This is the homework for you. Now children, we are going to that place value. We are learning in this class 3-digit numbers. 3-digit numbers are starting from 100 to 999. So now we are going to the place value. You just fill, children. Use only pencil. Don't use pen. Now we are going to that place value. What is that? Place value. Already you know that place value. So once observe this, children. 583. What is the number as read as? 583. Now I am writing place value of 3, place value of 8 and place value of 5. Why? Because 3 is in 1st place, 8 is in 10th place, 5 is in 100th place. So what you write that? Place value of, what you write? Place value of, first we are going to 3. 3 is in 1st digit. You know, right to left, ones, tens, 100. So place value of 3 in which number? 583. How can you write as? That is in 1st place. That means product with 1. 3 ones are 3. Now we are writing the place value of 8. 8 is in which place? 10th place. What you say as? 10th. So place value of, what you write? Place value of 8 in 583 is, 8 is in 10th place. So 8 tenths are, what you write? 80. This is in 10th place. Now we are going to the place value of 5. What do you write? Place value of 5 in 583. So once observe that where is the 5 in given number? This is the 5. Once you count as the place values, ones, tens, 100. So 5 is in 100th place. So place value of 5 in 583 is, 5 is in 100th place. So 5 into 100, 500. 500 is 500. This is the place value. Just observe that you know the face value. Face value. Now we are going to that face value. Face value. Face value means digits is the itself weight. Whatever in that numeral. Whatever digits are in the numeral, that is called a face value. That means we are taking the same as this number 583. So what is that? Face value of 3 is 3. Face value of 8 is 8. Face value of 5 is 5. Why? Because its digits also called its numeral of face value. Children, again carefully observe that this is the place value, face value. Place value means we product with ones, tens, 100. Face value is in that number having the digits also called as the face value. Now we are going to the children page number 18. Observe the page number 18. Once see that numeral digit. Here giving us one example. 564. 564. So once you write ones digit 4, tens digit 6, 100 digit 5. Ones place, tens place, 100 place. So 4 ones 4, 6 tens 60, 500 500. Just you fill the term. Now we are going to the 786. Already given of digit 6, 8, 7. What you write? Ones place, tens place, 100 place. Same. But what you write here? 6 ones, 8 tens, 7 ones. Just you fill that totally in your textbook. And now we are going to that 19th page. What is that 19th page? How many hundreds, tens and ones? Now I am explaining only two. Remaining you fill in your textbook. Easily understand why? Because this is the place. value and face value. B bit, observe the B bit, 4, 5, 3. They are giving us some boxes, hundreds plus box, tens plus box ones. So second one, 5 to 5. Read as 525. Here also same process. Hundreds plus tens plus ones. So see these children. So 453. What is in ones place? 3. Tens place 5. 100 place 4. So what is here? 400. 453. 5 tens, 3 ones. You know, 400, 5 tens, 3 ones. Now observe this one. 5 to 5. That is read as 525. 500, 2 tens, 5 ones. Yes or no? Remaining you fill with only. Is here giving us the third number 359. That is read as 359. 300, 5 tens, 9 ones. Now children, we are going to the 20 page. Fill in the boxes. See bit what is that? Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Clearly observe the children. The first one is 256. Here boxes giving us. You know this is called also expanded form. What you say as expanded form. So observe that 256 and the second one is giving us 482. Box plus 80 plus 2. And the third one is 603. That is box plus 3. Some are given, some are not given. Where is that not given? You just fill that too. See that children? 256. That is 256. So 2 is in 100 place. So 200. 5 is in tens place. 5 tens. 50. 6 is in ones place. 6 1. 6. And here observe that 482. 4 is in 100 place. 400. 8 is in tens place. 8 tens. 80. 2 is in ones place. 2 ones. 2. Now here observe that. Already given there. Here fill in the blanks of 2. 603. 6 is in 100. 600. 0 is in 10. 0 tens. 0. And 3 is in 1. 3. Now remain the you fill with the O. Children, are you understood what I am explaining? Thank you children. This is the chapter 2 completed. Just you fill what I am giving that homework. You open your textbook and total what the blanks are given. Just you read the bit and fill in the blanks. Thank you children. Have a nice day.